And with another update, getting ready to install this new bearing on my lower triple clamp here. Got it all greased up, ready to go. What I do is this fits over the stem here like this. It'll go so far, but then I don't have a press to press it down onto, so I went to Lowe's and I picked up this piece of metal pipe that fits. I'm going to fit it down over top of the stem here like so. Fits right on top of the bearing, and then I'm going to take this sledgehammer, mini sledgehammer, and tap it, get a little love tap down on top of there, and hopefully everything turns out alright. Hammer time. Make sure it's sitting on there good. Take this as slow as I can here. I don't want to screw anything up. Slowly going, inching its way down. Something you don't want to rush. Keep checking it, make sure it's going there okay, not crooked. So good. Now looks like about 1/4 of an inch yet to go till it's seated. Looks like it's on there good. Alright, it's all good to go. You can stop now.